In an era when space exploration is advancing at breakneck speeds, a tantalizing new possibility has emerged that could forever change humanity's place in the universe. According to recent studies, we could be on the verge of discovering alien life, and it might only be 2,157 days away. That's right. In less than 6 years, we could have definitive evidence of life beyond Earth. But how could this be possible? How are scientists predicting that alien life could be found so soon? The answer lies in cutting-edge research, revolutionary space missions, and technological advancements that are opening up new frontiers in the search for extraterrestrial life. Whether it's the discovery of exoplanets in the habitable zone, new telescopic capabilities, or recent findings in the search for microbial life in our solar system, the signs are all pointing toward an imminent breakthrough. In this video, we'll break down the science, the technologies involved, and the groundbreaking projects that are racing toward this monumental discovery. Could we really find alien life within the next 2,157 days? Or is this just another ambitious prediction? Buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey that could redefine everything we know about life in the cosmos. The search for extraterrestrial life, a journey into the unknown. For decades, humanity has gazed at the stars with awe and curiosity, wondering whether we are truly alone in the vast expanse of the universe. This age-old question continues to captivate scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike. Thanks to remarkable advancements in technology and an ever-expanding understanding of our cosmos, the search for alien life is no longer confined to science fiction. It is a legitimate scientific pursuit. In recent years, powerful telescopes, advanced satellites, and deep space missions have revolutionized our ability to explore the universe. Instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope can detect the chemical makeup of distant exoplanets, analyzing atmospheres for biosignatures, potential signs of life. Mars rovers have already uncovered evidence of ancient water flows, and moons like Europa and Enceladus may harbor oceans beneath their icy surfaces, offering potential habitats for microbial life. An intriguing estimate of 2,157 days, roughly 6 years, has sparked speculation that the discovery of extraterrestrial life could be closer than ever. This timeline is fueled by the pace at which space agencies and private companies are launching new missions, collecting data, and refining methods of detection. Artificial intelligence is also playing a crucial role in interpreting vast amounts of astronomical data, uncovering patterns that were previously hidden. As science brings us closer to an answer, one thing is certain: the search for extraterrestrial life is no longer a distant dream, but a real journey into the unknown, one that could redefine humanity's place in the universe. Breakthroughs in space exploration and technology. The journey to uncover alien life increasingly depends on recent technological advancements, with one of the most significant being the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, in 2021. This groundbreaking observatory has transformed our ability to explore the universe, particularly in detecting and analyzing exoplanets, planets that orbit stars beyond our solar system. With its advanced infrared capabilities, the JWST can peer through cosmic dust and capture detailed data about planetary atmospheres. It can detect critical signs of potentially life-supporting environments, including water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and other biosignatures. This precision allows scientists to assess whether distant worlds may harbor the necessary conditions for life. As JWST continues to deliver breathtaking and informative imagery from across the cosmos, it significantly shortens the estimated timeline for discovering extraterrestrial life, offering humanity its clearest view yet into the possibility that we are not alone in the universe. Another important leap forward is the study of astrobiology, a field dedicated to understanding the conditions under which life can exist beyond Earth. With the discovery of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in harsh environments like the deep ocean or toxic hot springs, scientists now know that life can exist in more places than previously thought. This insight has expanded the range of potential alien habitats beyond what we once considered habitable zones, bringing new candidates into the fold for exploration. Exoplanets, the new frontier for finding alien life. Exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside of our solar system, are a focal point in the search for extraterrestrial life. Thanks to missions like NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, thousands of exoplanets have been discovered, many of which exist in what's known as the habitable zone. This zone, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, is the perfect range of distance from a star where temperatures could allow for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. What makes these exoplanets even more exciting is the fact that many of them share similar characteristics with Earth. Some have atmospheres, rocky surfaces, and temperatures that could support life. Scientists are now using advanced tools to analyze the atmospheres of these distant worlds, looking for biosignatures, gases like oxygen, methane, and nitrogen, that could indicate the presence of life. With the tools at our disposal, the discovery of alien life-supporting planets could be just around the corner, potentially occurring within the next few years. The role of artificial intelligence in discovering life. Artificial intelligence, AI, is playing an increasingly significant role in the search for alien life. Machine learning algorithms are being employed to sift through vast amounts of data collected from space missions and telescopes. These AI systems can analyze patterns in the data far more quickly and accurately than humans, allowing researchers to identify promising signals that could be signs of extraterrestrial life. For example, AI has been used to analyze radio signals collected by the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI. In recent years, machine learning systems have been able to detect unusual signals from space that were previously overlooked by traditional methods. The application of AI is not limited to just finding life. It also helps in studying the environmental conditions of distant planets, providing a more efficient way to prioritize which planets to investigate further. Mysterious signals, a glimpse of alien communications. One of the most compelling aspects of the hunt for extraterrestrial life is the possibility of detecting alien signals. Over the years, there have been several unexplained radio signals detected from distant parts of space, often referred to as fast radio bursts, FRBs, or unexplained WOW signals. While these signals have not yet been proven to come from intelligent life, their mysterious nature has fueled speculation. Scientists believe that with rapid advancements in detection systems, we may be closer than ever to identifying a signal from an alien civilization. One of the most promising tools in this quest is the Square Kilometre Array, SKA, a next-generation radio telescope currently under development. Once operational, the SKA will be the largest and most sensitive radio telescope on Earth, capable of scanning the entire sky with incredible precision. Its unprecedented resolution and sensitivity could allow it to pick up faint, intelligent signals from distant worlds, signals that may confirm we are not alone in the universe. As our instruments grow more powerful, the likelihood of intercepting such a message becomes increasingly real. Many scientists now believe that within the next few years, we could experience a breakthrough that would fundamentally change our understanding of life beyond Earth. The search for microbial life in our solar system. While the search for alien life often focuses on distant exoplanets, it is important to remember that our own solar system may hold secrets of extraterrestrial life. For instance, Mars, once a warm and wet planet, may have harbored microbial life billions of years ago. NASA's Perseverance rover, which landed on Mars in 2021, is already collecting samples that could one day be returned to Earth for study. If evidence of ancient life is discovered, it would revolutionize our understanding of life in the universe. In addition to Mars, other moons in our solar system, such as Europa, a moon of Jupiter, and Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, are prime targets for the search for life. These moons have subsurface oceans beneath their icy crusts, and conditions within these oceans could be conducive to life. Missions like the upcoming Europa Clipper and Dragonfly mission to Titan will investigate these moons in more detail. These missions, coupled with the advancements in space exploration technology, could provide groundbreaking discoveries within the next few years. The implications of discovering alien life. The discovery of alien life would have profound implications for humanity. It would reshape our understanding of biology, philosophy, and our place in the universe. If microbial life is found on Mars or one of Jupiter's moons, it would confirm that life can arise in multiple locations throughout the solar system. However, the discovery of intelligent life, whether through radio signals or a more direct encounter, would raise even more complex questions about technology, culture, and communication. A significant challenge would be understanding how to communicate with alien species. Even if signals are detected, there are no guarantees that we would be able to understand or interpret them. It would take significant advancements in both language and technology to bridge the gap between human and alien civilizations. Still, the very act of receiving a signal or finding evidence of life would mark a historic moment in human history. The ethical and societal impact of alien life. With the potential discovery of alien life, humanity would also need to consider the ethical ramifications. Would the discovery of alien life prompt a re-evaluation of how we treat life on Earth? How would governments and societies react to the news that we are not alone? The discovery of life, whether microbial or intelligent, would likely ignite intense discussions around space exploration, resource sharing, and global cooperation. Moreover, if extraterrestrial life exists, what impact would that have on our spiritual beliefs and our understanding of existence? Would the confirmation of life beyond Earth challenge traditional religious views? These are questions that would need to be addressed on both an individual and societal level. The final countdown, 2,157 days and beyond. As the timeline of 2,157 days rapidly approaches, we are standing at the threshold of potentially discovering alien life. With cutting-edge technology, new missions, and growing global cooperation, the next few years could bring us closer to answering one of the biggest questions humanity has ever asked. Whether we find life on distant exoplanets or microbial traces on Mars, the possibilities are vast, and the journey is just beginning. This countdown marks the beginning of a new era in scientific discovery, one where we may finally find the answer to the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Only time will tell, but the coming years promise to be filled with unprecedented discoveries that will change the way we look at life, the universe, and our place within it. The countdown to finding alien life has already begun, and if all goes as planned, we could be looking at the discovery of a lifetime within just a few years. Whether we find intelligent civilizations, microbial life, or signs of extraterrestrial activity, the ramifications for science, philosophy, and humanity's understanding of its place in the universe would be nothing short of earth-shattering. But the real question is, how will we, as a global society, respond to this discovery? Will we embrace the knowledge of other life forms, or will it challenge our beliefs in ways we aren't prepared for? Whatever happens, we are on the edge of an extraordinary scientific and existential moment. What do you think? Do you believe alien life is out there, and that we'll find it within 2,157 days? Or is this just an optimistic leap into the unknown? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about the potential for life beyond Earth, and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the world of space exploration and the search for extraterrestrial life. Stay curious and remember, the universe is vast, and we've only just begun to understand it.